Hello everyone, welcome to Top Trading Age. Today we'll take a look at it Qualcomm. So what are the projection do we see in a Qualcomm? Let's take a look at it. So as we can see, the chart is building the sloping support from March 20 to 22. It's almost 1.5 year, which is called bullish strong support. And also if you take a look at this nice bullish ascending triangle building, that is also bullish sign. Right now, let's take a look at the current price action, exactly what's happening. So if we take a look at it very closely here, each candle represents the 1 day of the work. So as you can see, $188 is the area where 180, 188, 90 area where several times tried to poke to the ceiling, but it got rejected, sent back down here. And as you know, the last 10 days, the market is selling off and Qualcomm is still holding the ground. It didn't sell off too crazy compared to other stocks. So holding the support currently at around 173, 170 area. Now, if this breaks, then the next support is previous resistance, which was here at 165. That could be the support here. Either it can test the support and bounce back up, or it can break this support and then fill this gap. If you notice this gap right here, so remember, take a look at, you see this gap. Let me draw again. You can see this gap now, right? This gap need to be filled, which is almost around here 130, 140, 138, 46. That's the gap to be filled. When? I don't know, maybe this time or next time, but it's supposed to be filled. So I just noticed that can happen too, and this is 100-day moving average. So if this breaks, then it will be bearish, and then it can fill the gap, and then it can test the support, sloping support, which is major, and then bounce. Since it's building the triangle, it can create the support and bounce through this triangle upward or downward, depends on how it happens. Whatever the projection will happen in future, we'll take a look at it that time. But currently we have to go one step at a time. We're not gonna keep predicting what can happen, what not. We just want to go one step at a time. So here, as we can see, this support we need to check, and then this support, then 100-day moving support, and then sloping support. So it's not about just the stock keep going down. It also higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, depends on the market, how the surroundings things are happening. We'll take a look at as the days progress. So first we'll take a look at this area. It can bounce from this support, which is 165, or it can test the it can bounce from $171, or it can test the support 165. If this breaks, then it'll be 165. So that's, we'll take a look at it. Now, what are the chances it can happen or not happen? Well, as you can see, the chart, it appears to be a super strong and bullish to me. So, but again, I see a gap here, so that gap we need to watch. Trying to make a very short video here. So the best thing I always believe in is the price actions. We all know there's a lot of news about the Qualcomm, that Qualcomm has introduced new 8th generation chip, which is 5G chip, goes on smart cell phones, Android phones, and they are really good. That's why this stock did not sell off compared to other stocks, is holding the ground. So if the market, if the SPY goes back up, right now SPY is testing 100-day moving average. So let's take a look at it, what SPY is doing here. So if we take a look at it here, today, last 10 days, SPY is selling off right here, right? And Qualcomm is still holding the ground over there if you take a look at it. So that way, Qualcomm is a strong, relatively strong stock in the market currently. So if SPY bounce, and goes up, then the Qualcomm will be the first one to take off because it's holding the support. It didn't sell off that much. So that's the good thing I like about the Qualcomm. So let's see here. Um, but still I try to write down all this information here. I will be posting this on the Twitter. Well, most of the time I post the charts on Twitter. So if you guys follow me on Twitter at Top Trading Edge, and if you also have any questions, you can also comment under, and I will also respond back on it. Um, I would also, uh, recommend if you subscribe and like the video, then it will help me to motivate me. And also, if any new video I make, it it directly goes into your inbox to notify you that the video has been made, so it gives you alert. And as same thing on a Twitter is the best platform where you can get immediately instant notification whenever I tweet all the new alerts. So um, that's it. I guess I'm gonna sign off, and until then, until the next video, uh, goodbye. Thanks.